Hello guys, welcome to another video from your Aliexpress Promotions, Discounts channel. Today we have various promotions and discounts and coupons in the area of fashion, new products in fashion, and news in fashion, in short, so that you can renew your wardrobe and make your home, your life much more beautiful, or also for you who like to buy products to resell. We have prices that go impact your life. It's more than 60% off various items. Sneakers starting at $24, sneakers that cost $63. For only $24. 62% off. There are some really cool jackets here too. I know that when you talk about fashion, you mean taste, right? Everyone has a taste, but see some items here that I selected, that I found interesting, beautiful. This jacket here. This coat, very beautiful. A very beautiful jacket. There is the one that is here too, this very beautiful polo shirt, also of very good quality. Only $8, it costs $13. You will have it with a coupon, and you will still have a coupon for $5, okay? Here also very interesting, a pants. Jeans, oh, very beautiful, has several sizes. These are the products that are featured at a very good price. This is more for summer use. This jacket here is more for winter. It's a very nice jacket. It heats up a lot. Very interesting too, and there are many other items here, watches of various categories with up to 72% off. Okay? Very good quality top watches. Then there's the bags and suitcases, okay? 60% off bags and suitcases. From $18 you have a very good leather bag, very good too. Look how beautiful this one is, okay? All new products, okay? Products launched now, that's why they still have few sales, okay? This one has 36 sales, the women's bag, white, very pretty. And there are more items here, men's shoes. From different categories. And tennis is also very beautiful. And now here are pajamas, sleepwear, underwear. At a very affordable price. Look how cool. Latest in women's fashion. There are products for women too, okay? With the same thing, 30% off, just click here. The link with this page is here in the description of this video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and mark your presence with that special like. I'm staying here. Enjoy, there are many promotions, beautiful fashion products, releases that will impact your life there for sure. I'll see you in the next video. Until later.